Well, hey there, and welcome to our channel. So if you're watching this video, you're probably someone who's in their mid-20s or a parent or a loved one of someone who's in their mid-20s who's concerned about aging off their parents' insurance policy. Now don't worry, there are plenty of great options that won't break the bank, and we're going to go over those in today's video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. My name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to talk about your options once you've aged off your parents' insurance policy. Now, we release these videos on a weekly basis designed to educate and inform people about health insurance to make sure that they're getting the best possible coverage without breaking the bank. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, we are licensed health insurance brokers. We're licensed in all 50 states and with over 200 carriers, so please feel free to leave a question in the comments below or give us a call here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. There is absolutely no charge for our services. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the options once you've aged off your parents' insurance policy. Now, under the Affordable Care Act, that's the ACA, sometimes known as Obamacare, people are able to stay on their parents' insurance policies for a much longer period of time, which is really great news because in today's world, a lot of people are following very different career paths than their parents might have. And very often, these career paths don't come with that employer-sponsored group health insurance that was enjoyed by many previous generations. So the ACA has afforded people an additional grace period to figure out exactly what they're going to do about health insurance before they turn 26 and sometimes even later, dependent upon your state. Now, if you're in that gray area, you're approaching your 26th birthday or perhaps later, dependent upon your location, you're probably thinking, what am I going to do? How much is it going to cost? And we're going to answer a lot of those frequently asked questions in today's video, as well as give you some options for comprehensive coverage that won't break the bank. Under the ACA, you're able to stay on your parents' insurance policy until you're 26 years old. Now, if your parents have their insurance through the marketplace, then you actually get to stay on their insurance policy until December 31st of the year that you turn 26. So even if your birthday is January 1st, your policy will not expire until December 31st. So if you're a January baby, congratulations, you basically get a whole extra year of health insurance. Now, if your parents get their health insurance through an employer, some type of employer-sponsored group health insurance, then the rules may be a little different. Sometimes you'll age out of your parents' plan at the end of your birth month of the year that you turn 26. So you need to check with your specific plan and your state, because some states actually, like New York, give you a couple of extra years. So that's a pretty good thing. Now, you are able to stay on your parents' insurance plan regardless of whether you live at home or whether they claim you as a tax dependent. It's not affected by your marital status or your parental status. You can find a full list on healthcare.gov, but basically if you're under 26, you're eligible to stay on your parents' plan under the ACA. Now, once you've turned 26, you're going to have to look into some different options, especially if you're not pursuing a career that offers that employer-sponsored health insurance. However, actually, even before you turn 26, you may want to look into some different options because there might be a better financial option for you to pursue before you turn 26. So the first option that we're going to discuss is Medicaid. If you're still trying to find your way in the world, or maybe you're still in college, then Medicaid may be a great option for you. Medicaid eligibility is determined by the Federal Poverty Guide, your household size, and the state in which you live. I can't stress that enough. That's really, really important because different states do have different criteria. Now, you can find out more information by logging on to healthcare.gov. That's healthcare.gov. Medicaid provides free or low-cost health insurance to many, many millions across America, and it really is excellent health insurance. And like I said, free or low cost, which may be a great option for you to pursue based on your financial needs. Additionally, if you're pregnant, you may want to look into CHIP, which can provide medical and dental assistance for children up to 19 years of age. Now, if you want to learn more about Medicaid and CHIP, just call one of the numbers on the screen or log on to healthcare.gov. That's healthcare.gov. Additionally, with Medicaid, you can apply at any time. There is no open enrollment window or anything like that to take into consideration. So the next option that we're going to discuss is marketplace insurance. Now, marketplace plans under the ACA are required to offer the essential benefits. You can learn more about the essential benefits on healthcare.gov, that's healthcare.gov, and also on healthcare.gov you'll be able to peruse all of the different plans that are available to you. You can use the filter to weed out exactly what your specific needs are. Now, I do want to stress that when you log on to healthcare.gov, there will be a lot of information and a lot of plans to choose from. So if you're going to go the marketplace route, we highly encourage you to work with a broker. A broker will help to make sure that you're choosing the right plan for your needs and to make sure that you're getting one that matches your financial needs as well. And again, many brokers do not charge for their services. There is no extra or hidden fee that you're going to pay. Certainly not with us. So if you'd like our help, you can reach us at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. Now, with the marketplace plan, you can enroll during the open enrollment period, which is every year from November 1st to December 15th or longer, dependent upon your state. Some states do have extended open enrollment windows, and you may also be eligible for a special enrollment period. So, if you're receiving your insurance through your parents' insurance policy and they receive their insurance through that employer-sponsored group health insurance, you're going to be eligible for a special enrollment period, which will revolve around the time you turn 26. Generally speaking, you'll have 60 days before you turn 26 and 60 days after you turn 26 to enroll in a marketplace plan. However, it really does depend upon your specific plan, your specific state, and also if you're able to apply for an extension, that's something you need to take into consideration. So make sure to do your research in advance to make sure that you don't miss your window because you don't want to be without health insurance. Now, one more good thing about marketplace insurance is when you enroll in a marketplace plan, they're going to ask you to estimate your income for the upcoming year. And if your income falls below a certain level, then you may be eligible for a tax credit, which can help you save thousands of dollars in monthly premiums. Yes, let me say that again. Thousands of dollars in monthly premiums. However, if you end up making a lot more than what you estimate, you may have to pay that tax credit back. Something to take into consideration. The next option we're going to talk about is short-term medical plans. Now, you may or may not have heard of short-term insurance, but for some reason, they have a pretty bad and undeservedly bad reputation. They've actually majorly evolved in recent years, and many short-term medical insurance plans offer most of the same essential benefits as ACA plans. Now, not all of them. There are definitely some drawbacks, and we're going to discuss those as well. It's not all wonderful when it comes to short-term medical insurance. However, like I said, many of those plans offer the same essential benefits as the Affordable Care Act plans, such as preventative services, doctor's visits, co-pays, prescriptions, and very often with a very low deductible. Now, one of the major benefits of these plans is the cost savings. If you're ineligible for a tax credit with the ACA plans, with the marketplace plans, then you may want to look into a short-term medical insurance plan, or even if you are eligible for a tax credit, you may still want to look into a short-term medical insurance plan because a young, healthy person can get a plan with a premium as low as $100 per month, which is pretty darn good for health insurance. Now, there are some drawbacks. Short-term medical insurance plans are not available in every state, and they're certainly not for everybody. If you've got a pre-existing condition that's very difficult or expensive to treat, it may not be for you. Or if you have young children or you're planning on starting a family, it may not be for you. However, short-term medical insurance plans generally offer nationwide PPO coverage, which is very hard to find in a marketplace plan. And in many states, you can actually enroll in a plan for up to 36 months, which is not so short-term when you think about it. We do a video that's all about short-term medical insurance plans if you want to learn more about them. Please don't forget about dental insurance. If you find yourself in need of major dental services, it can put you back thousands of dollars, and it's really not something that you can put off. If you wake up with a toothache, there's only so long you're going to be able to deal with it. However, there's definitely good news. Dental insurance is pretty darn inexpensive. If you opt for a private dental insurance plan, generally speaking, it's going to range between $15 to $50 per month. And you can also look into dental insurance options that are offered through the marketplace. You can choose from DHMOs, PPOs, or indemnity plans, and we have a video that's all about dental insurance as well. Now, one more thing I do want to mention, if you are turning 26, if you're soon to age out of your parents' insurance policy, it's really important that you stay on top of dates if you're looking into a marketplace plan, because as I said, you have that open enrollment period or you have a special enrollment period, but ideally you don't want there to be a gap in your insurance. Now, if you're looking into Medicaid or a short-term medical plan, then there actually is no open enrollment that you need to be aware of. You can enroll year-round, which definitely makes it a little bit easier and a little bit less stressful. If you liked this video, please make sure to click like and subscribe as well to stay up to date. We release these videos on a weekly basis with tips about saving money on health insurance and how to make sure you get the best health insurance while demystifying all that confusing terminology. We have videos about Medicaid, marketplace insurance, short-term medical insurance plans, dental insurance, and how to save money on insurance. And I'm going to put links to all of those videos in the description below. That way you don't have to go hunting for them all over YouTube. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below or give us a call here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. There is no charge for our services, and we are more than happy to help. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.